Hi guys and girls.
Hi guys and girls.
Today we're classifying angles.
Classifying angles. What is an angle?
Well, an angle is pretty much the point where two straight lines meet.
Okay.
Okay, so this is an angle because you've got a straight line and a straight line and they're meeting.
Righto. And by saying classifying, does that mean there are different types of angles?
Yep, there are different types of angles.
Cool.
Okay, so the first and most important type of angle is called a revolution.
Okay. What a revolution.
Yep, not like the Russian Revolution or the American Revolution or the Haitian Revolution.
Or the mass faculty revolution.
My favourite revolution. Okay, a revolution is important because it is where all the other angles come from.
Right.
Okay, and a revolution all the way around
Yep.
is 360 degrees.
So if I started here and went all the way around, keep going, back to where I started.
Yep,
Right.
that would be 360
I could like little arrows if you
degrees.
Right, and all the way back to where I started. Okay.
Yep, like the clock going around to 12 o'clock.
Cool. Righto. So that's like saying, here's my ruler. I'm starting on the zero. Where's zero on this thing? So zero is there.
Yep.
And I go all the way around here. And back where I started from. So if I came back to where I started from, I would have travelled 360 degrees.
Yep, that is a revolution.
Okay, got it. Revolution there. I'll just get rid of that. Okay, next one.
Okay, next one. The next one we'll do is a straight line.
Okay.
Okay, if I have the revolution back, you can see that a straight line is half of the revolution.
Half of it. Right, yeah, right.
Okay, this half, this straight line,
Great.
and its straight line is half of it.
I see that. Yep, okay.
Okay, so we can go like that, and we've got an angle there.
Yep.
Like the sort of point where the two lines meet is in the middle, but they're perfectly straight, so it looks like one line.
Right.
And that's a straight.
Well, that's called a straight angle.
That's called a straight angle.
I didn't see that coming.
Yeah, it's hard to.
Yeah, pretty
Sometimes the names work well.
Maths is just incredible, isn't it? Like, yeah.
And
180
it is
degrees.
180
half of the
degrees.
revolution.
Half of the revolution.
Gotcha so far.
Okay,
Okay.
so if we were to half that again, we take our straight line and angle-wise, we cut it in half.
Yeah, right.
We would get an angle that you might recognise.
It's an L.
It's an L.
I do recognise that.
Yep. It's called the right angle.
Ah, okay. Right angle.
Not right like your left and right, but it's a right angle.
So if I said to you that revolution cut in half is straight, this is like a straight line cut in half again, so it's got to be half of that.
Yep.
So that would equal 90.
90.
Stop it. Look at that. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Well, I've got a question for you, though. What happens if the angle is less than 90?
Ah, if it's less than 90, so it looks like that.
Yeah. So that's less than that.
That's less than 90, or it
Yep.
could be less than that, or it could be all more than that, but not quite 90.
Right. So anything less than, so if it's under, say, 90 degrees.
Yep. You've got what's called an acute angle. Named for its smallness.
And that's less than 90 degrees,
Yeah.
is it?
So that is less than
Less than 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Righto. Well, hang on.
Okay.
What about bigger than 90 degrees?
Ah, bigger than 90 degrees. Okay, bigger than 90 degrees, but less than the straight line
Yes, hasn't gone
is
straight.
called an obtuse angle.
So that's more than 90,
Yep.
but it's still less than 180 though, isn't it? Because
Yep, more than 90, but less than
if I went to 180, it'd be a straight.
perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, righto. I'm pretty happy with that.
Well, the last one we're going to cover.
And, well, I was just sort of thinking, okay, so if this goes any bigger, it would be that, which would be straight. But what happens if it goes bigger than that? What happens if the angle goes like, sort of like that sort of thing, around to there?
Oh, well, we call that one greater than 180, and I'll do it over here just to sort of
we're falling off the edge
make
there.
it a little bit more of a listy type thing. Get out my protractor out of the way. Okay, one of those is called a reflex angle.
Reflex.
And it's bigger or greater than or more than
Yep.
than 180 degrees.
Okay.
Okay?
Are there any other sort of possibilities?
Well, that covers the circle. Because pretty much if it goes all the way around, it's a revolution.
Yep.
And if it goes a revolution and starts going around again, it becomes the acute obtuse and all the rest of that.
I see, righto.
Okay, so that's sort of our maximum.
Yep.
That can be a straight line, a right angle.
Yep.
Anything less than a right angle is an acute.
Yep.
Anything from a right angle to a straight is an obtuse.
Righto.
And anything from a straight all the way back around to the revolution is a reflex. So I think
Fantastic.
that covers the entire circle of angles.
We know how to classify angles. Thank you very much.
Like those girls.
Thank you very much. Hope we pass the audition.